A long, long time ago, in a country far, far away, 6 travelers will embark on an epic journey that will take them to their limits. A journey to Canterbury. From the mind of one medieval scholar came a literary masterpiece.
I shall call it a Troilus and a Crusade. No. Moby Dick! No. Wait. That's it. Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire! What? What did you say? The Canterbury Tales? The Canterbury Tales? No. It'll never work.
Now, the classic is retold. Prepare for a new adaptation of Geoffrey Chaucer's The Canterbury Tales. From the theatre company that brought you The Three Musketeers live from Cardiff Castle, the all-male Taming of the Shrew, and We Will Rock You. Mappa Mundi Theatre Company are back with Canterbury Tales.
I think essentially what Mappa Mundi have done with Chaucer's classic is this. I think that Geoffrey Chaucer, the writer of the Canterbury Tales, would be immensely pleased with this adaptation. It's superbly researched, brilliantly realised, and is packed with bawdy humour. It's quite naughty, in fact. Especially the bit when the priest gets a red-hot poker stuffed up his...
I mean, to me, Mappa Mundi symbolise everything that is wrong with the theatre. You know, I mean, they're accessible, they make people laugh, and, well, they're all devastatingly good-looking. Yeah, I hate them. I hate them all. Will there be a free buffet after the first night?
Yes, and wine.
Right, put me down for a ticket, then.
And then she walks in, holding what looks like 2 firm, round...
The rush has started. Book your tickets now to avoid disappointment.
I mean, The Empire Strikes Back's always been my favourite. I didn't even know they were making another one.
Well, I'm just a bit worried, really. I mean, especially after the last show Mappa Mundi did. They said it was Shakespeare, but people disagreed. You know, they said they could understand it and everything.
Canterbury Tales. Sounds brilliant!
Maybe we had complaints, we had death threats. I had to wear a stab vest on the Friday night. I mean, I just don't want to have to deal with that kind of abuse again, quite frankly.
Yoda is in it, isn't he?
Tickets now available for Canterbury Tales.
Should have used the Force.
Oh, it's quite literally a golden shower.
Let's get this one. Hi, what do you think?
Rude, disgusting, utterly depraved. I loved it.
Well, to be honest, the show has made me rethink the way I look at my life. I'm going to stick with a sports science degree and go for the sex change. Thank you, Mappa Mundi.
Not quite what I was expecting. Great special effects, though. Oh!
Do you want to see more? There's only one way. Mappa Mundi's Canterbury Tales. You knows you wants it.
Mappa Mundi's Canterbury Tales, touring to a regional theatre near you, October to November 2008. Book now to avoid disappointment. Free donkey with every 10th ticket bought. Terms and conditions apply.
Canterbury.
melons. Actually, I could have been on the stage, you know. Have you heard my dog barking in the distance?